Yes, students, in this question, that is your A, B, C, and D. In this question, ratio is given. That is 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 3 ratio, 4 is given. It means we consider that let in quadrilateral ABCD, it is not trapezium, it is a quadrilateral, and we have to prove that quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium or not. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Student, what will be angle A? Let angle A. What will be angle A? Please tell me. What will be angle A?
X.
1x.
Correct.
1x means x. And what will be your angle B? Please tell me.
2x.
2x.
Twice of x. And what will be your angle C? Twice of x.
3x.
And what will be your
3x.
angle D? 4x. Yes, friends. In quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Why? Please tell me. Why?
Angle something.
Angle some property of a quadrilateral.
Of quadrilateral, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Angle some property of a quadrilateral. Of a quadrilateral. Now, what is your angle A? 1x.
Sir, 1x.
What is your
Yes,
angle
sir.
B? Twice of x. Twice of x.
2x.
That is your 4 times of x. That is 360.
Okay.
Then mute yourself. Now x plus 2x, 3x, 3x plus 3x, 6x, 6x plus 4x, 10x. That is your 360.
Yes, sir.
What will be your x? What is the value of angle
Sir,
A?
36 degree.
X is equal to 360 divided by 10.
360 by 10. That is 36 degree.
36 degree. Very good. X is equal to 36 degree. Now required angles of quadrilateral are. Please tell me. Required angles of a quadrilateral are x. Yes. What is your angle A? Angle A is what is your angle A? Angle A is your x. X is 36 degree. And angle B is equal to twice of x. 2 into 36, it means 72 degree. And angle C is equal to thrice of x. 3 into 36 degree. That is 180. Now your next is angle C, angle D. Angle D. 4 times of x, 4 into 36 is equal to 140.
And 42 degree.
Yes, students. Now your angle A. Angle A is 36. Angle B is angle B is 72. check that angle A plus angle D. What is angle A plus angle D? Seven. That is your 36 plus 144. That is your 180. And angle B plus angle C. That is your 72 plus 108. That is your 180. Angle A plus angle D. Students, in this figure, angle A plus angle D. It means these lines will be parallel and angle D will be here. That is your angle D. This is your angle D. Oh. Now, A, B, C, A. A, B, B and C. What is the sum of angle A and angle D? That is 36 and that is 144, that is 72 and that is 108. Now sum of these angle will be 180 and sum of these two angle will be 180. And these are co-equal angles. As you know that, as we know that sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. What is supplementary angles?
Those angles which add up to 180 degrees.
Yes, is supplementary. Then line will be parallel. Therefore AB parallel to BC. AB parallel to BC. And in a quadrilateral, if one opposite pair of a quadrilateral is parallel, that quadrilateral is called a trapezium. So ABCD is a trapezium. Yes, students? Any doubt, any problems?
No.
Yes, students. Any problem, any doubt? Any doubt, any problems?
No sir, no problem.
Now I am starting chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, practical geometry. Practical geometry. I am starting chapter number 4, practical geometry.
Okay sir.
Chapter number 4, practical geometry. Have you a geometry box?
Yes.
Yes. Question number first. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. We have to draw a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 4.5 centimeter. AB is, draw a line segment with the help of a scale. AB is 4.5 centimeter. Draw a line segment with the help of a scale. Have you drawn the line segment? Yes. Now your next is BC is 5.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 5.5 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 5.5 centimeter. Have you opened the compass of radius 5.5 centimeter?
Just wait.
Yes. Put the tip of pencil on B point. Put the tip of pencil on point B and draw an arc. And draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Now student, we check that AC is given or not. AC is given or not. Please tell me that AC in the question is given or not. You have to draw the question such as, that is your A, that is your B, that is your C, that is your D. Now to find the point C, we have to require the BC as well as AC. AC is given in the question or not?
Yes, the AC is also said.
Yes, AC is 7 centimeter is given. So please open the compass of radius 7 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 7 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 7 centimeter. Compass को open कीजिए. 7 centimeter radius. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. I am observing on the screen that you are not drawing the construction.
My camera is disabled.
Yes, please draw the construction. Unnati Kumari, where is your compass? Unnati Kumari, am I audible to you?
Sir.
Where is your compass?
Yes, sir.
Draw the construction. Draw it. Draw it. Abhishek Kumar Yadav, Kushi Kumari, draw it.
Yes.
Now open the compass of radius 7 centimeter. Put the tip of pencil on point A. Put the tip of pencil on point A and draw the arc of radius 7 centimeter which intersect the previous arc at point C. At point C. That is your C point. Join AC and AB. Join AC and AB. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now your AC, as you know, that 7 centimeter and your BC is 5.5 centimeter. Any doubt, any problem up to here?
No, sir.
No problems. Have you completed up to here? Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now we have to complete this part. This part. To complete this part, we have to require AD as well as CD. AD and CD given or not? Yes, given. Now what is CD? CD is your 4 centimeter. Yes. Open the compass of radius 4 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 4 centimeter. Put the tip of compass. Put the tip of compass. Put the tip of compass on point C. Put the tip of compass on point C and draw an arc. And draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Put the tip of compass on point C and draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. Now your AD is 6 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter. So please open the compass of radius 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Have you done or not? Open the compass of radius 6 centimeter. Open the compass of radius 6 centimeter. Put the tip of compass on point A. Put the tip of compass on point A and draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. That is your point B. Now join AD and CD. Join AD and CD. It is your required quadrilateral. It is your required quadrilateral. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me. First of all, please check that you have drawn the figure in your notebook or not. Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
All the students, have you drawn the figure? Sumit Singh, have you drawn? Have you drawn?
Yes.
Om Singh, Ruchika Yadav, Ruchi Yadav, Poonam, have you drawn?
Yes.
Yes, very good, very good.
Showing the picture of the figure.
Yes, very good. Very good, very good. Poonam, very good. Yes, Ruchi Yadav. Yes. Picture is not clear.
I have also done.
Picture is not clear. Okay, wait students. On the gallery. Now show me your figure. Mahima, zoom in.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mahima. Very good. Poonam, very good. Yes. Mahima, very good. Next, your Abhinav Jaiswal. Yes, very good. Next students. Show me your figure which you have drawn. Show me your figure which you have drawn. Ruchi Yadav, your picture is not clear. I am unable to watch your figure. Yes, have you done? Now, next your steps of construction. Steps of construction. Steps of construction.
So we can draw the rough sketch that we have to.
No need to.
Also,
No required to draw the rough sketch. No required. Don't draw it.
okay, sir.
No required it. Draw your hair figure in your notebook. Now write the steps of construction. Which step you will write first of all? Please tell me.
Sir, find the each
We will draw a tight segment of 4.5.
Sir,
AB, which is equal to 4.5
Draw
centimeter.
a line segment. Draw a line segment of. Draw a line segment AB. AB 4.5 centimeter. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
ठीक है? अब देखिए यहाँ पे from point B draw a radius draw an arc draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in third point, who will tell me? In third point, yes,
So may
yes,
Right.
yes.
From point A, we have to draw a radius.
Yes, okay.
the line is draw an arc of 7 centimeter.
Yes. From point, which point?
Point A.
From point A. Yes, from point A, draw an arc. Arc of radius. Draw an arc of radius. How much radius?
7 centimeter. 7 centimeter.
Yes. Which intersect? Student, please tell me. Yes. Please tell me what is the difference between intersect and bisect?
So bisect means it makes a perpendicular two lines.
Yes. Bisect
And
means
this-
Bisect means divide the things into two equal parts. And intersect means just cut out. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. From point A, draw an arc of radius 7 centimeter which intersect the previous arc. The previous means the previous arc at point which point C. Yeah, very
C.
good. Now in next step join AC and BC. In next point join AC and BC.
B.
Yes. In fifth point, who will tell me? Yes.
So may I?
Who will? Yes. Please tell me.
Sir, Khushi, can I?
Yes.
Sir, could I help?
Yes.
Sir, from point A, we have to draw arc with centimeter 6.
6 centimeter. Okay. And the next point, yes, Poonam. Next point will be
For that, we have to make a arc of 4 centimeter from point C.
yes, which intersect the previous arc at point D. Join AD and CD. Join AD and CD. So ABCD will be your required quadrilateral. Yes, start now. From point C, draw an arc of rate. Draw an arc. CD is your 4 centimeter. Yes, and your AD is your 6 centimeter. Yes, from point C, draw an arc of radius
4 centimeter.
4
4
centimeter.
centimeter.
yes, in 6 point from point A, draw an arc of radius
6 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
of radius 6 centimeter. Yes, from point A, draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter, which intersect intersect the previous arc. At point
At point D.
B. Very good. Join CD and AD. The next point, join CD and AD. Yes, in 8 point. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral.
Required quadrilateral.
Yes, quadrilateral.
ABCD.
Quadrilateral. Yes. And
So
now,
what has it written before the ABCD?
so ABCD is the required quadrilateral. So ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Have you any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Thank you.